Artie McYarty here with another one. Hey folks, got some dry spots, dead spots, trouble spots? Let's aerate that soil. Right now, let's talk about why soil aeration is important. Well, for one, it's going to help you relieve the soil compaction, if it is compacted. Two, it's going to help improve air exchange right into the soil that otherwise is not getting in there with all that thatch buildup and that dryness and that compaction. Three, it's going to help uptake with water and nutrients, right? But the other important piece of this is going to be to amend the soil. So first you're going to aerate, then you're going to amend the soil, and we'll show you how to do that.
All right, folks. Do you have dry spots, trouble spots? Get yourself an aerator. This is a simple but yet effective aerator, okay? This is by CKLT. You see these little nail spikes? Aerate the soil in those troubled areas. See this one, for instance? It's all dried out. So you're gonna, one, you're gonna let oxygen get in there. Two, you're gonna let water get in there. Three, you're gonna wanna amend the soil. So get your choice of soil amendment. And with this heavy-duty rake by CKLT, you can break up these clumps that you see in your soil amendment. See these clumps? And now you can rake it in. See how I use the back side of the rake to just comb the soil through. Get it all nice and even. It's a great rake for lawn leveling and just spreading that soil amendment through these troubled areas. What do you think?